Now, we've got a simple flow chart here. Let's start and end. That's a shape you use for the start and the end, an oval shape. To switch outputs on or off, it's a parallelogram. Okay? If it's an input or an output, it's a parallelogram. If it's a pause, it's a rectangle. Anything that's happening internally in the computer is a rectangle. A question is a diamond-shaped box. And it's got the yes and the no answers. So in this one, program starts, pin 7 goes high, pause 500, it's 500 thousandths of a second, so that's half a second pause, then pin 6 goes high. Now it asks if pin 1, if input pin 1 is on, and if it's not on, it goes back and does the test again. If it is on, all the outputs get switched off. To do the code, we start off, we do let DIRS equal percent 1111 0000. That just sets up 7, 6, 5 and 4 as outputs and 3, 2, 1 and 0 as inputs. So high 7, there's two ways of doing that. You can either just use the high 7 again, or you can say let pins equal percent. Okay, so that's pin 7 there. Pause 500, high 6, or now you've got to remember here that pin 6 and pin 7 both need to be on, so it's 7, 6. Now, the question, if we give this a label, we'll just call this the main program, and a colon. So we're doing a sort of test here, so we can call it test. And we can say if pin, it's pin 1 we're interested in, pin 1 equals 0, then test. So if pin 1 equals 0, we jump back here. Okay. As soon as pin 1 equals 1, it comes down and does whatever we've got here. So it's switching off all the outputs. So we just say let pins equal to 0.